What's up guys, hello and welcome to my channel Khan Marketing. In this video I am going to show you what is data entry and how to get started with data entry jobs and earn $10 per hour on Fiverr. Many people have heard about the data entry jobs, but they do not know what is included in data entry jobs. So this is the video for them. Data entry method is a beginner friendly method, and most people are keen about data entry jobs because there is no specialized skill required in order to perform that type of jobs, and it also offers a good earning potential. So keep watching this video till the end to get a better idea about how to get started with data entry jobs. But before going to start out this video, if you do not know about my channel, then here I am showing you all the money making tips, digital marketing concept, and how to become an entrepreneur and leave your 9 to 5 job. If you wanted to get similar types of videos, consider subscribing to my channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. So let's get started. First of all, what is included in the data entry jobs? There are few services that I have just write it down for you. These include copy paste work. Customer will give you few files and all you need is to just copy from one file and paste it into the other file. Excel formatting. In this type of a job, customer will provide you the raw data and all you need is to just correct the formatting of the data in order to present it more meaningful or in order to improve its presentation. The third one is web research. All you need is to just visit different social sites and other websites, and customer will require certain types of data like email addresses, contact information, phone number, name, website links. So any type of a job that customer may require from you. The next one is file conversion, PDF to Word and vice versa. Customers will give you the PDF files and he or she may require you to convert these type of file into the Word or Word to PDF, and same to PDF to Excel and Excel to PDF. After that, there are some advanced Excel jobs. Once you are specialized with these types of basic jobs, then you can perform more advanced Excel jobs in which you need to set up different types of functions and advanced Excel formulas in order to get data from different files. So you need to be aware of if function, sum if function, count if function, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, pivot, macro. So these types of more advanced jobs. Don't worry, in this video series I will just guide you how you can start your data entry work from very beginner to the more advanced steps. So if you just subscribe to my channel and watch my videos, definitely you will learn more about data entry jobs and you can create your own gig on Fiverr. And not only Fiverr, you can start your journey from different other freelancing platforms, and from where you can sell your services and make tons of money. So just subscribe to my channel, and so that you will get notified when I produce new videos or new parts in data entry series. So just take you to the fiverr.com for an example, and if you search for data entry, you can see that these types of gigs which are selling data entry services. So just look at these people reviews: 166 reviews, 200 reviews, 194 reviews, 60 reviews, 287 reviews, 190 reviews, 300 reviews, 169 reviews. So there is no shortage of buyers. All you need is to just acquire that skill, create your gig on Fiverr and other platforms, and start your selling your service today and make money. And if I just take you a rough calculation about a guy, I will do internet research in data entry. This guy has received 300 reviews and it is basic selling for $5. So as per my experience, nearly 50% or less than 50% of the people actually give you the review. So if you just multiply this review figure to 2, so you will actually reach the number of orders this guy or this gig has received. So 300 multiplied to 600 orders, and just multiply 600 orders with $5. So this is just the basic gig. 600 multiply 5, $30,000. So this guy has earned more than $30,000. If you just cut out the 20% of the Fiverr share, then still this guy has earned over $24,000 from just data entry work. That's the potential of data entry work. So I hope you get the idea about what is included in data entry job and how to get started, and what are the earning potential of data entry job. Please subscribe to my channel, and I hope you like this video. If you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you.